So guys, today we have another review. I have been delaying with this for quite some time. I got this package a little while now and it was kind of intimidating to me because it is hair care products. So I got a package from Customer Caravan. You can check them out on Instagram. It is an online store and it is more household, catered to more like storage and organization. So you can check them out right here. But they sent me a one-step hair dryer and styler. So this is a replica to the Revlon brand, and I did look at some videos on TikTok and there's a lot of videos on YouTube as well, and the Revlon hair dryer brush is really good. Now something about me and hair care is that I find hair care so intimidating. I don't really do anything like out of the ordinary with my hair because I find like styling my hair takes too much time, and to actually hold like a brush and a hair dryer on your hair and just keep doing this is like it's a skill that I just didn't have. So now that they brought out these brushes, I'm hoping that, well, the promise is that it gives you a salon blowout in half the time. So we're gonna try this out. Feel free guys to check out Customer Caravan on Instagram, give them a follow. So let me try out this product for you guys and you all will know from there if it is worth it or not. So we got a note. So it actually has mine, Anissa, and Sarah's name. And in here is a thank you note and it says, Laura, Anissa, and Sarah, thank you for your amazing content. You remind us what life is truly about, family and fun. I hope you love this brush as much as we love your videos. I'm not sure if this can work on Amos and Ian, but let me know if it does. Much love, Chantal from Customer Caravan. Now Ian is here, so I don't know if you all want to try it out, if we should try it out on him, but I can guarantee you it is not going to work on Kutch's hair. So let's open up this baby, right? Ooh, it's really big. So it is really big. It is light, which is good. So the top here, I'm not too sure if this heats up as well. I'm hoping it doesn't because that will be good to like hold while you're styling. I have my assistant here. Could you just flap this off for me, please? Alright, so it has 3 settings. It says low, middle, and high. So this is low, middle, and high. I find like the middle is softer than low. So this is low, middle, and high. So it's a bit loud. So I'm going to silence the video and maybe do a time lapse for you guys. Alright guys, this was really fast and it feels really nice. So the hair is totally dry, and as you can see, well, I'm trying to do it straight. I'm not a professional, but this I can work with. I can definitely work with this. It's very easy. So I'm gonna continue with the rest of my hair and we'll see what the final look is like. final look. I must say I am impressed. I think it did an amazing job. I got a call in between, but I was timing it, so I took approximately 15 to 20 minutes, which is not too bad for me, because remember I told you I'm not this big stylist, so I'm guessing for you guys who like real good with styling your hair, you can do this in no time. So for me, this would be a lifesaver. You guys can check her out, check out her page, Customer Caravan. I want to thank you so much for sending us this. I know it is not just mine, but I will be sure to send this down for my sisters to try out as well. But guys, I think my hair looks really good. It looks like I just came back from the salon. It looks professionally done, and I did this in less than 20 minutes. So as I was saying, I will definitely recommend this for those of you who are professionals, and more so for those of you who are like myself, who barely has the time or the knowledge to do stuff on your hair. With this brush, you can actually straighten your hair. You can also do curls. I tried to do a little volumizing thing here on my hair, so just comment and let me know, what do you think? You saw the before and this is the after. So once again, check out Customer Caravan. She does not only have these, guys, she specializes in household products as well. Basically, she caters more to like storage and organizational stuff. So feel free to check out her page, and thank you so much, Chantal. I will be taking this down for my sisters to use as well, so they will be giving me their feedback. So guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you all are still here, thank you so much. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Have a wonderful week ahead. Stay safe, wear your mask, sanitize your hands, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.